Hello and welcome to Book Talk. I'm Mary from the Post Road Library and I am surrounded by books every day. I am also surrounded by my coworkers and I really like it when we work well together. That's why I enjoyed The Culture Code, The Secrets of Highly Successful Groups by Daniel Coyle. In this book, Coyle builds the case that a successful company has employees who feel safe enough to share ideas without worrying about getting shot down. They share vulnerabilities because they trust their teammates to lift them up when they're in trouble, and they know their purpose and their company's purpose. The book starts out with a study where two groups are given uncooked spaghetti, tape, and marshmallows. Their task, build the tallest structure they can. One group, business school students, the other, kindergartners. Now, if you've ever sat on a committee meeting, you may not be surprised to learn that the business students achieved only mediocre results. The kindergartners grabbed things, they talked over each other, they focused on what worked, and their towers were over twice as tall. Now, every organization needs policies that everyone follows. You can't have kindergartners running through the hallways. For these, choices are narrowed, decisions are made. But in the initial problem-solving phase, you need wild ideas, unlikely collaborations. So how can you create teams that will say yes, sir, when necessary, but will also grab things when problems need solving? The Culture Code has a section for each skill: build safety, share vulnerability, and establish purpose. Each section starts with a portrait of a successful company that's made these work. San Antonio Spurs, Zappos, Johnson & Johnson, and it ends with a chapter that is full of the specific steps you can take to acquire these skills. So read, listen to, or download The Culture Code by Daniel Coyle. And you can learn how your group and community can work together to get things done. Thank you for joining our book talk.